Hi guys, and welcome to learn Chinese in easy. Funny way, I am Abdurrahman, and if you want to support me, you can subscribe and you can inform your friends who are interested in learning Chinese. And at end of the video, in the cards section, I will ask some questions about Chinese characters and their tones, so you can solve that and practice your knowledge. And here we are, it's end of the unit third. In next video we will pass uh, chapter 4. So in every unit we saw this uh, exercise and we will practice the pain and their tones. We will repeat the tone rules, tone changing rules. Okay, let's start. Here, we have third tone and the second tone. Here we will use the half third tone, right? And I will like this half third tone. 主席, 主席, 主席. If I read 主 like third tone, 主, 主, at half third tone is like 主席, 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 like this. Here, first tone and second tone, 出席, 出席, 出席. Here, fourth and first tone, 上, 上去, 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 like this. Here, fourth tone and fourth tone, 上, 上次, 次, 上次, 上次, 上次. And you should repeat after me. And you should get used to these tones and pinyin. Here, first tone and third tone, 生长, 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 长, 生长. Here, first tone and third tone, 增长, 增长, 增长. Here, second tone and fourth tone, 花东, 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 like this. Here, second tone and fourth tone again. But here, 花, this one is 火, 火, 花东, 花东, 花东. Here, first tone and second tone, 新桥, 新桥, 桥, 新桥, 新桥. Here, 新桥, 新桥. Here, you, we will read you, 桥, 桥, 新桥, 新桥, 新桥. Like this. Here, 推销, 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 推销. Here, fourth and first tone, 退休, 退休, 休, 退休. Like this. Okay, and let's face the second part. Here, fourth tone and third tone, 在则, 在则, 在则. Here, second tone and third tone, 在则, 在则. Here, 在则, 在则, 在 and 在, 在. Here, 通知, second tone and fourth tone, 通知, 通知, 通知. Here, third tone and fourth tone, we will read half third tone. half third tone. Tong, tongzhi, 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 tongzhi. Here, second tone and third tone. 喝水，喝水，喝水，喝水。Here, first tone and third tone. 喝水，喝水。Here, 喝，喝，喝，喝，喝水，喝水。吸纸，吸，吸，吸纸，吸纸。Fourth tone and third tone. 吸纸。Here, first tone and third tone. 吸纸，吸纸，吸纸，吸纸。会议，会议，会，会。Second tone. 一，一。Fourth tone. 会议，会议，会议。Here, both of them fourth tone. 会议，会议，会议，会议. Like this. And let's paste the third part. Okay. Here this one is exception. This e we generally read like but here we read like r. Here second tone and second tone. R tone, r tone, r tone, r tone. Here we have a rule. It's 女 女. This one is r. And we separated these two characters because they are both a character. New is a character, R is a character. But if we don't separate them, it can be complicated to separate newer, and people think it's like one character. So we separate that. Newer, and here also we have same rule. Half third tone. Newer. It means girl and woman. Newer. Here the neuter tone and third tone. Here we will use half third tone. 耳朵, Here 20, 20. Here we have a new rule. This one is R, right? The upside we already read that. E, where, and this one is where. Fourth tone. And when it's together, this E, we ignore that, and we are writing like where. Just we take the R. Always we will do. And the other rule is E. Normally our number is E, has a first tone. But just when we count the numbers, for example, E, R, San, S, U, like this, we read E with first tone. But in other another characters like Hui and Tian, if the character has a fourth tone, E becomes the second tone. If the other character has first tone, second tone, third tone, and neuter tone, this E becomes the fourth tone. But we don't change when we write the tone. The tone always writing like a first tone, but when we read, we change that. Maybe this one is a conversational book, so they change it to show clearly. I don't know why, but you should write always first tone, the original tone. But when you read, you change in your mind. Okay, I hope you understood these rules. If you don't understand, please write on comment section and I will explain it again. Here, u here, u where, u where. Here is this one is where, 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 e where, ye where, ye where, like this. Here, ye diğer, and it's the end. This one is the end, and this one is r. We took the r here, and we ignore this n. We read like e dr, dr, not the honor. We don't read this n. Dr, e dr, e dr. We are reading like this. E dr. Here, ye, ye share, ye share, ye share, ye share. Here, third tone and third tone, we have a rule. This becomes second tone. Yo dr. Here also we ignore the n. We just read the r. Yo dr. Yo dr. Yo dr. Here, quar, quar, quar. Here, this one is one, but we ignore it. And we read like war, 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 war. Here, third tone and later second tone, so we should read like a half third tone. And this one is high, higher, higher, shall higher, shall higher, shall higher, shall higher, like this. Here also we ignore this n when we read. When you write, you must write the n, but when you read, you ignore that. Finger, 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 like this. Okay, I hope the video helps you guys. If you have any problem, you don't understand, you can ask on comment section and I will answer that. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you next video.